Community analysis on Clearwater, Florida. Clearwater was the gateway to Florida. It was a major destination for European explorers. It had a good railway system which was constructed by the Plant family. The Plant family also sponsored the construction of the city's first hospital, Martin Plant Hospital, which is still in operational today. The Clearwater Police Department is headed by Daniel Stroud. He joined the police department in 1992. The department is broken down into three major units. You have the crime unit, social services, and the patrol unit. Clearwater provides services for medical services for their citizens. They also provide access to park and recreation, and they also provide access to animal and vector control for citizens of the city. There are different types of housing available in Clearwater. We have houses, government subsidized housing for low-income families and elderly people above the age of 55 and older, and they also have homeless shelters, and also apartment complex and condos. There are several religious organizations in Clearwater that also provide services to members of the communities. You have churches that provide a homeless shelter, food kitchen, and access to clothing and dining for homeless families. The main form of transportation in Clearwater is the bus. You also can use a taxi, Uber, Lyft, care ride, or wheelchair access, and volunteers that provide services for elderly population. There are several stores and supermarkets in Florida that provide basic necessity to citizens of the cities. You have a lot of Publix, CVS, Walmart, Walgreens, and you have a lot of private pharmacies that provide medical supplies and medication refill for members of the city. The main concern in Clearwater, Florida is road construction, especially during peak hours. This has led to heavy traffic in and around the city. The city also has a lot of alcohol and liquor stores, which has led to an increase in alcohol and tobacco consumption. The population of Clearwater slightly decreased from 2000 to 2010, according to the Census Bureau. This is a problem because decrease in the population might lead to decrease in the city's income. The main age group in Clearwater, Florida is between the ages of 18 to 65. They constitute 61.4% of the city's population, and they constitute the major workforce in Clearwater City. Persons between the ages of 65 and older make up 17% of the population of Clearwater. And in the winter, this number increased because of the visitors from up north. This leads to a high demand in healthcare services, healthcare coverage, due to these people having illnesses related to old age. The major healthcare concerns in Clearwater, Florida are smoking, alcohol abuse, drug abuse, high stress level, unhealthy diet, and lack of exercise. Clearwater has access to various healthcare facilities like hospital, urgent care, doctor's offices, and mental health facilities. The main hospitals in Clearwater are Martin Plant Hospital and HCA hospitals. The major cause of death in Clearwater is heart disease, which is 21.6%, cancer, chronic respiratory illnesses, unintentional injury, stroke, and Alzheimer's are also major causes of death. And the main form of diseases in Clearwater are salmonella. The water, air, and waste removal services in Clearwater are functioning at an okay level. The water quality is considered good for drinking. The air quality is considered good, but according to Good Air, Clearwater is considered as the city of trees, and they plant a lot of trees to help decrease pollution and provide fresh air for breathing for residents of the city. Garbage collection is provided by the city of Clearwater to residential and private properties. It is provided on its schedule. Each area has certain days in the week where the garbage is picked up. Clearwater City Council comprises of the mayor and four other members. Um, they are elected into office and they are elected for 4 years for not more than 2 terms. The city council holds a meeting every month, and the public is always encouraged to attend these meetings. Crime rate in Clearwater is slightly higher than the state's average. Safety is a major concern in Clearwater. The number of suicide rate has increased due to the city's lack of mental health facilities. Substance abuse is a major problem in Clearwater, Florida. So many people with substance abuse problems do not have access to mental health clinics. So the number has increased. The hospitals have seen a lot of overdose cases. HIV and AIDS has also been an increase in the city. Obesity is also a problem, and this has led to several cardiac-related illnesses, diabetes, to name just a few. The main objective of the city of Florida is to decrease the disparity between the socioeconomic groups, and the community also intends to work on decreasing the number of diseases in the community, and the community also intends to use available resources to improve the health care of their citizens and their visitors.